So we got some questions regarding how to add keywords into a clusterizer that we have already been working in. Now, for example, we typically have to add new keywords into the clusterizer because either we missed some keywords in our initial research or the client has provided us with some new ideas. So there are two possible ways to do this with the Keyword Clusterizer. The first way to add keywords starts from a keyword planner export. So here's our export. It is an export that we have not yet run the Keyword Clusterizer on. If we scroll to the bottom of the sheet, we can actually just add keywords to the end of the Keyword Planner export. We just have to follow the same formatting and can even put real data or use arbitrary metrics. So now we can run the Keyword Clusterizer for the first time and then search for a new keyword, and we can see it has been added to the clusterizer with our metrics. The second way starts from an already clustered set of keywords. All we have to do here is scroll to the bottom of the sheet, add some rows. Now, just to make sure we have the same formatting, we can copy and paste from the top. Then we can choose some arbitrary words or numbers to be used in the category and subcategory clusters. Then add your new keywords. As in the first example, we can use real data or arbitrary metrics here. Then just hit that Run Clusterizer. After the clusterizer is done, we can double check that our new keywords have indeed been added and we're good. So that's all that I really wanted to talk about, adding new keywords. But this is also actually two workarounds or methods for you to be able to add keywords and metrics from multiple sources like SEM Rush, Search Console, or any keyword data tool that you prefer to use. So I hope this answers some of your questions. Message us anytime if you have any questions. Thank you so much.